Hey K-Bae, you are now tuned in to Keeping Up with K, as you already know, and today I'm coming at you with another braid video, and we will be using the colors 1B as well as Mai Tai and the brand Easy Braid, of course, because I love them. But if you would like a more detailed overview on how I part, how I slick the braid area down, please check out my knotless tutorial where I will go through step by step with you how to get super straight lines and super straight parts. I'm not gonna lie, on this video I had issues parting the back. I always have issues parting the back of my hair. The front turned out really well, but I mean the back didn't turn out bad, but y'all know what I mean. It's harder in the back than in the front. So the way that I braid down to the scalp is very weird, but it works for me. I am braiding it pretty tight, so I know y'all thinking like, dang, look at all that tension on her edges, but I promise y'all it will like loosen up. Like once I'm finished with the braid, the tension, it goes away and it ends up looking great. So I'm just braiding all the way down, and then once I get towards the end of my hair, because of course we're doing hacks over here, I just go ahead and I add the hair in. Now with the ombre effect, using that Mai Tai, I went ahead and I added the hair in once I got down to my stomach area, so that I could get that knee length look that I always go for, because I mean if it's not long then it's boring. So but yeah, so that's all I did for this. The hair really ended up blending very well. I was kind of nervous about how it was gonna go because the hair, it got so blonde and I have black hair. I just didn't know how it was gonna blend out, but it ended up blending out perfectly. So once you're finished with this, of course you want to remember to cut those flyaways. Try not to cut your real hair, but cut closer to the bottom of the braid using those techniques that I will be showing you in the knotless video. Will also help you to keep those stragglies intact, but y'all gotta go check that video out. It will be in the description box below. So just go ahead and keep parting those straight lines as well as you possibly can. Braid down to the scalp and just add the hair in, and we're gonna keep braiding. And I just realized I didn't even tell y'all what kind of video we were doing today. I mean, even though I know y'all see it in the description, but I mean, we are doing some pop smoke braids, honey. Baby, welcome to the party, period. So I really want y'all to pay attention to this next part. I will be giving, you know, a little tip away, but still, if you haven't and you want to learn how to part, please go view that last video like I told y'all, but I'll give y'all a little taste of it right here. This is why using your gem or your product is so important. I was having such a hard time with getting my part straight on this part for some reason. I don't know why or what happened, but then I just thought like, girl, this is why you use your gem, so use it. So I put that gem on there, y'all. That hair split like the Red Sea, honey. It moved straight out the way, perfect part. Like, so yeah, do not forget to use your gem if you're having issues with parting and creating those straight lines, especially in the back. right here, you can kind of see me dance a little bit after I, you know, touch my braids, because look, the inner Pop Smoke, it was coming out of me. Like, I could hear him growling in my brain, okay? All I heard was just some drill in my head. That was it. But for this back area, just to reduce some of the tension on my neck and to also create more braids in the back that'll be, you know, more flowy and not just so tight on the neck and then just, you know, nothing there, I wanted to add 3 braids in the back. I just added a few knotless. They were not perfect. I don't think jumbo knotless is my thing. I think I'm more of a small knotless girl, but yeah, I still did it anyway, and I liked how it looked and I liked how it felt. So this is optional. You can always part down all the way down to the neck, but me personally, I just knew how it was gonna tug on my kitchen, and if I didn't make it tight enough, how it would be hairs loose, sticking out. So this is just what I chose to do in the method. It worked really well for me, and I really just like how it looked in the back with those extra braids. So y'all, I have such a hard time with my hair getting tangles at the end. I think it's just because I don't pull it all the way through when I braid. So I'm always pulling and tugging at my hair. But instead of using straight lines in the back for these braids, I went more with a triangular part. And I started with making sure that the area where I part, it just had a point at it, and then I just drug the comb all the way down, and that's how I was able to get this part. That braid was kind of fat, I ain't even gonna lie, but I just wanted to show y'all how I had been parting, and I'll also give you another view right here just so that y'all can see. We are to the last braid. This is my favorite part every time because I'm always so tired and so lazy towards the end of braiding my hair. My arms be tired. I be tired of standing up. I need like a braid chair or something to put in my bathroom because y'all, the reason why I be looking down is because I be watching movies on my laptop while I braid my hair. But I just want to remind y'all to not be like me. Don't get lazy. Stay consistent. And just remember to keep adding the hair throughout the braid just to maintain that flow of your hair because you want it to look amazing. So we made it, y'all. This is what we're looking like. I know this was a long one, but I like to give y'all content to watch so that y'all can actually braid with me and learn and practice and keep doing it over and over. So I went in with some tea tree oil, and then I just put it all over my scalp, and I wanted to get that good moisture in and just, you know, feed the scalp like we all should be doing. Then I went in with that Palmer's coconut serum and put that onto my scalp as well as the braids, so that I could get some extra shine. And then I took my Cream of Nature styling foam and I put it all over my scalp. I also put it on the braids after I dipped, but then I went in with more tea tree oil just so that setting foam wouldn't take away from all that good shine that I had. I put my bonnet on, and then I wrapped my scarf around it. I just wanted an extra layer of silk protection on my hair, and then once I did that, it was time to dip. When I was dipping, I actually folded the hair into halves, and then I just dipped it that way versus dipping the whole braid, and it really worked well for me. So that is it, y'all. We are all done, and I will see y'all in the next clip. So y'all, these are the braids. If y'all can see, they look great. I will be inserting some pictures so that y'all can see them just at a better angle. And yeah, so that is all that I have for you today, K-Bae. And I will see you later.